Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic.
We are here today with Dr. Khadar himself, and often we are asked the question as to, don't you feel like drinking tea in the evening? How do you satisfy those cravings? So often what we have in the evening when we feel like having a little something is lemongrass tea. And we are going to show you how it is made today. For making lemongrass tea, we require very few basic ingredients. First off, water and fresh lemongrass leaves. We'll also be adding a little bit, an inch of cinnamon for extra flavor. And if needed, you can also add jaggery powder. So here we are using toddy palm jaggery powder. You can also use silver date jaggery powder or coconut jaggery powder. So that's all we basically need. Can you get me some fresh lemongrass leaves from the garden? Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So let me just wash them first. So now I've just washed the leaves and we're going to cut them into small pieces.
Mhm.
So the first step is to measure out the water. I'm making 2 glasses for us. So in go 2 glasses of water and we will first bring it to a boil. So while we wait for the water to boil, let's discuss a few of the benefits of having this lemongrass tea. And first off, it's very flavorful and anyone is going to enjoy the essence and fragrance of it. But let's hear about the health benefits.
The aroma of lemongrass is absolutely unmatchable. No one can match. It's such a pleasant smell that everyone, anyone would love it. And the most important thing is the aroma. And by the way, uh, lemongrass is a C4 grass. That means we have the benefit of having soluble lignons when we make a decoction of this wonderful juice. And when lignons are there in your decoction, the blood becomes thin and becomes anti-inflammatory. So the anti-inflammation capacity of the lignons present in the C4 grasses is something that no one can give you as far as medicinal benefits are concerned. Okay?
So just to add into that, all of our millets, positive millets are also C4 grasses. So similarly, lemongrass is also a C4 grass, hence rich in lignans, which are having anti-cancerous and anti-inflammatory properties. Yeah. So yeah, let me interrupt you again. The water has started boiling, so let's continue with our process. So I'm just going to add in the cut leaves of lemongrass, and now we're going to turn down the flame to sim. I'm also going to add in an inch of cinnamon. I'm just breaking it into a few small pieces and adding it into the water.
Again, cinnamon also has kind of lignons that makes things much more useful.
It's a bark.
Yeah, bark. And this is not the regular decoction that we recommend in our PDF protocols. This is actually just to get you out of the addiction to the tea. So this works wonders. And so people who have been addicted to tea or coffee, the caffeine addiction, before you drink caffeine, just have a cup of wonderful aromatic lemongrass tea. Slowly and steadily, you would come out of the addiction of caffeine.
Yeah, so if you haven't already watched the video of what does Dr. Khadar drink instead of coffee, it's already up on Millet Magic. Please do check it out as well. The link is in the I box above and the description box below. So go ahead.
Yeah, it's 2 to 3 minutes.
Mhm.
It will switch off.
Okay. So we're going to switch off the flame, and with a lid, we're going to cover it and allow all the fragrance, the aroma to come into the water for another 2 to 3 minutes. We're just going to wait.
Water soluble ingredients are the ones that are going to be beneficial for all of us. So, all decoctions, we allow the wonderful water soluble ingredients to diffuse into the water, and we will then filter out the leaves and then take the decoction.
So, continuing on the benefits, we spoke about lignans, we spoke about the anti-inflammatory and anti-cancerous properties. What else can we get benefits from this?
Just the smell of lemongrass calms you. So what it means is that it will help your gut microbial processes too.
Yeah, it's used, the essential oil of lemongrass is used in spas and aromatherapies. So it helps to reduce stress and anxiety, which I think is on the rise of late.
In fact, most of the tea and coffee addicts take coffee and tea when they're stressed out. So this actually works out much better than caffeine, because there are no secondary and tertiary effects of caffeine in this particular case. So we are having a healthy drink which is a stress buster. On top of it, many other medicinal benefits.
So to add on to that, let's first understand why we shouldn't be drinking coffee and tea in the first place. They're giving you replacements, yes, but what's the harmful effect of coffee and tea should be understood first for people to switch to this, because many people are under the assumption that if it's sugarless, they think that the only harmful component of coffee, tea is sugar, and they think that by replacing it with either Jaggery or artificial sweeteners, they're good to go with the regular coffee or tea.
Yeah, so black tea, green tea, black coffee or coffee with milk, all these contain enough caffeine, which actually is your nerves getting debilitated. In the initial stages, you may see the primary action is activating your moods and stimulate your de-stress you. It is true for some time, but then
Short term. Very short action.
Yeah.
The caffeine, the primary action is to stimulate your nerves. That's why as soon as you take coffee or tea, you feel refreshed or you feel energized. But yeah,
the secondary and tertiary actions are in the long run debilitating the nerves, and also your nerves start losing control. So the nerve signals, the efficiency starts decreasing slowly over a period of time. In the long run, many people end up having no control over it. When they cough or laugh, they lose without control, and prostate gland becoming inflamed. All these bad and unhealthy symptoms start appearing. The sad part is that things happen slowly and steadily.
we have also seen another effect on the nerves of caffeine, the debilitating, the weakness creating effect on the nerve which is supplying to the ear, the vestibulocochlear nerve. And often it results in people who have been addicted to coffee and tea for many years. We see them developing tinnitus, that is sound in the ears, as in a buzzing sound or an insect kind of sound or a
honeybee sound.
machinery sound, some sound which is non-existent, but they keep hearing it in their ears. A very disturbing thing, especially it disturbs sleep and makes them not hear things when people are speaking clearly. So this tinnitus and also vertigo. So weakness of the vestibulocochlear nerve, the eighth cranial nerve, can also cause vertigo, which is also another effect which we have seen in people who are addicted to caffeine. So please stop assuming that caffeine is okay if, as long as we're not adding sugar into our coffee or tea, it's okay to have it. No, even then it is harmful to you on the long run, and it is best to be avoided, especially having it twice, thrice, daily, every day. We have to have it. That itself is showing your body's dependence on it. So yeah, instead we have many healthy and very pleasant alternatives like this. So let's get on with this. Yes, so now you can see the color of the water has changed.
The light green.
Yeah, light yellowish green. I'm going to add in jaggery powder at this stage, but you can have this as such even without jaggery if you want to. It's pleasant even without the jaggery.
Yes, too much.
Yeah, just we're going to just dissolve this.
Such a beautiful aroma.
I wish I could smell on the video. It's not possible, but we are thoroughly enjoying the aroma right now. So a few more benefits which lemongrass has to offer is it's very good for your heart, and it is also good for dental issues. So just while drinking the lemongrass decoction or lemongrass tea, you can get rid of many dental issues like the gingivitis, gums being inflamed, infection in the gums, so bad odor from the mouth. All these issues can also be solved.
Periodontitis problems also can be attended to.
If you want to use the technical terms, many can be.
And the start of the leaf, people can use to brush early morning when they get up, and that would be a wonderful habit for them.
Just chew on the stalk, and those essential oils and the aroma is also very beneficial. So I'm just going to filter it out into the glass now.
This wonderful grass grows without anything. Just bring 2 or 3 bulbs and it will take over.
So all we used was 1 leaf per person. So we used 2 leaves for 2 of us. So it's ready. Here you go.
Yep. My favorite drink.
Though this is his favorite way of drinking it, my favorite way would be allowing it to cool completely, chilling it a bit, and in this hot summer, it's even a very nice drink as a cold and refreshing and cooling effect as well in the body.
Either you drink cold or hot, it cools your body.
We are going to enjoy this lemongrass tea. Do try it out and let us know how you liked it in the comment section below. We'll be back with many more interesting recipes. Until then, happy cooking!